Today I'll be working on a 2014 GMC Acadia.
The truth.
Going to be changing out the cabin air filter. This is the part number right here. First thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is open up the glove box. Next, you're going to lift up on the glove box just a little bit and push this forward. So you're going to pull out and push that out of the way for now. Next, you're going to take these little tabs and turn them counterclockwise until they click and come right out. There's one on each side. Once both those little clips are out, go ahead and just lay it down. Now you can have access to your cabin air filter. Next, you're going to undo both these little clips on the bottom and both these ones up top. It's going to pull right out. Once you got your old one out, go ahead and take it right out of this little tray. Pay attention to the arrows. You're actually backwards on this one. Should be facing down. So when you go ahead and put the new one in, make sure your arrows are facing down. Make sure it's in the tray, fits really well. Now we're gonna put it back in the car. Now it's just gonna be just the opposite of how you took it out. So go and just slide it right back in the tray. Make sure your clips are secure. And it's all the way back in there. Once you bring your glove box back up, so next you're gonna put these little guys back in. You're gonna want the bevel kind of slope downwards. You put it back, and go ahead and give it one turn, and it'll hold it right in there. And for this side, your little bevel is gonna slope upwards. You can kind of see it. Once those both in place, you won't go anywhere. And next you're just gonna reattach this, big hole on the top, and then slide downwards. Locks it into place. And then you get to close your glove box. Well, I hope this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thank you.